Terabyte Studio presents
To launch Falcon 9 rocket to ISS-CRS-17 at Cape Canaveral 2:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time. SpaceX will launch the uncrewed Dragon resupply ship to the International Space Station from Space Launch Complex 40 at Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida. Liftoff window begins at 2:48 a.m. Eastern Daylight Saving Time, 0648 GMT. The upcoming Dragon cargo mission will be SpaceX's 17th delivery flight for NASA. The spacecraft will deliver more than 5,500 pounds, 2,495 kilograms, of fresh supplies, experiment hardware and other gear to the expedition. 59 astronauts currently on the space station. Once in orbit, the vehicle is expected to take about 2 days to reach the orbiting lab before being captured by the outpost's robotic Canadarm2. Ground teams are then expected to remotely maneuver the arm to attach the spacecraft to the Earth-facing port of the Harmony module. It is expected to remain at the station for the better part of a month. Once the CRS-17 mission gets off the ground, it should mark the 5th launch by SpaceX in 2019 and the 70th Falcon 9 mission since 2010. If everything goes as planned, this will be the company's 17th commercial resupply mission to the ISS under NASA's Commercial Resupply Services contract.
T-minus 30 seconds. Stage 1 rising.
T-minus 15 seconds.
Falcon 9 is clear for flight.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition. Liftoff. Air Dragon go Falcon. Power and telemetry are nominal.
like, share and subscribe.